the noise, cut the chatter. Only number, only data. Tailor suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every rung got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk deep from. Deep roots in the ground, in a world full of shakes. They don't move when it's loud. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still storms. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it's still stalled. Alpha future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Years in the fight, they refine, they remain.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
What's that motherfucking word?
What's up, everybody? Sorry, I was just setting my shit up.
What's that word? Margie, what is your Avi, bro? Why does that look like the girl from The Ring in a red New York fitted, bro? Farmer, bro, didn't I tell you about that tractor, bro? Didn't I tell you about trading on that tractor, bro?
Yeah, we're gonna have to find a reentry, but like, I took this. This is what I'm in right now.
Yeah, I'm in shorts at 99.
How do we have the same entry? That's crazy.
Without even talking about it.
Yeah.
Classic. How's everybody doing, man? You too. What's that word, man? How'd everybody do this morning?
Oh, that's such a cute corgi. It's
Cook, killer, play out, good
autistic.
shit. Have not traded in 2 weeks watching the charts play out on areas. That's good chart time, bro. That's soaking up
I
game.
have a payout coming today. Once TPT actually updates, that's gonna be my first time getting a payout from them.
Nice. I'm actually thinking about submitting one tonight as well. I think I might do it just 'cause-
It's daily, right? Daily payouts.
yeah, daily payouts. Daily
And
payouts.
then what? And then yeah, literally. So I can make more money tomorrow and request that I'm above the buffer.
Yeah, 100%. Like I got a payout on Friday, and I'm probably gonna request a payout tonight.
Bro, I've been sleeping on them. Like, what's wrong with me?
Yeah, TBT's nice. TBT's nice.
Like, the buffer was not even like that hard. Like, I beat the buffer like in a day, not even trying. Like,
TBT's nice.
bro, I'm up like a band right now. I was waiting for this move all day. Like, I actually traded the afternoon and I hopped in on power hour.
Right now we're rolling. It hit the area of my fib, so I took a partial there, and I'm letting the rest roll. And if we break this area, I'm thinking about putting the Izzy in, adding to my position.
Mm-hmm. I already added to my position.
Thinking about adding to my position.
Oh my god, look at you. You're learning.
I'm
To be
trying.
quite honest, I don't really understand. Like, I need to actually pay more attention on how to properly add. Like, I know how to add, right? But like to tell you exactly where my position is going to move to, if that makes sense. Because I don't know how they calculate that.
That's my
It's
only
usually
problem.
just like a guesstimate that I have in my head.
Yeah, it's like when you do it, you kind of know the area that it's going to put you in, but
But you don't know. It's just like a guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So I kind of want to like to get more into that. But yeah, with Forex, it's separate order. So I used to stack like
Oh yeah,
crazy. Like I would just be like adding positions. With this, I also like though because it actually brings your second position. Like if you're really deep into profit, when you add, it brings your position down, but enough that like price is already further away that like you can already break even that right away. So like you're not even adding more risk per se because your stop is already in profit once you add it. So I don't know, it's kind of weird, um it's not 50% because like if I'm like $1,000 into profit usually is the sweet spot and I add, it doesn't move my entry that much more.
If I were to add to my position right now, I know it's probably going to put me at this top wick at 78 probably. So I know it's not 50%.
It's not. Because my entry was at 99 and then I added, hold on, and where did I add a position? My first entry was at 99 and then I added a position at 93 and my position currently is sitting at 91.
Coach shorts. I've been in shorts since the podcast. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Towards the end of that podcast, I jumped in shorts at around 24. 820 or 624 is when I jumped in shorts. My entry is 99. Depends on how many cons you're in and how many you're adding.
Well,
Yeah,
usually I'm in one and then I added a second one. So like 2 minis usually. It's like what I like to personally add. Anything I will add more if it's a 200 to 400 point move. And we're just going. Then I'll just go with momentum and just like stack that bitch. Like yesterday, the reel that I posted, I had 7 minis on. And it was all break even. I was like, shit. I was like, might as well add one more.
Yeah, I mean that's a no-brainer at that point.
Yeah, but the reason why I got to 7 minis, I think I started with like, I don't remember. I started with 2 maybe, then I added 2 more. And then I added 1. So I stacked 2, 2, and 1. And then when it was like right there at the last push, I'm like, bro, you guys are not gonna hold me out over $1,000. So I was like, I just start adding positions, like just 2 more points. And sure enough, it took the high and then it melted. And I'm just like, bro, Always, always when I need like the last fucking, I needed $200. I was like, always when I need that extra 1 point, 2 points, bro. This shit just.
It's at a very key level for me right now where it could possibly do some weird shit. I have a fib there, I have bottle side orb there of this morning's orb. And I really just want to
Bro,
go straight through it so I can add to my position.
I think this shit's just gonna go. At this point, this thing is just melting. It's setting up for CPI tomorrow. I think we had the high of the week today, to be quite honest. I'm kind of curious to see what London is gonna do. Because, like, that was the key level that I was looking for us to sell. And I literally essentially called the top with my students this afternoon at 1:30, and that is why I love trading 1:30. Like, if you think we're going to reverse, 1:30 is going to give it to you 9 times out of 10. If we are at a higher time frame level, that shit just like melted. I told them, I was like, we might accumulate here, I don't know, we might reverse, because I was like, it's such a key level, like, and it's on the higher time frame. Now that bitch just melted, and I was just kind of shocked. I was like, damn, I didn't even take like the whole thing. Hell yeah.
416, good shit, Valvo. How many cons do you usually get in on the evals versus the funded? The same way. It all depends on my stop loss.
Mm.
It all depends on my.
I'm way more aggressive on my fundeds, but not in a way that you would think, like how we were talking about adding contracts. I'll just stack. If it gives me an opportunity to stack, I will stack. With my fundeds, I don't usually stack like that. I just like enter one position and then like I let that ride, and like I'm a lot more careful when it comes to that. Yeah. And I said this before, and like, and Max really brought it up, and I told you this. I was like, I think you are one of the most disciplined when it comes to like actually taking profit and following exactly what you said that you're gonna do, you know?
Yeah. I think it's majority of the reason of that is I've been burnt before, like
We
trying
all
to
have.
take a dollar amount and like, yo, I'm a pretty headstrong person. So
Yeah.
burn me once, shame on you, but burn me twice, 3 times, 4 times, that's all on me. So
Right.
I kind of just I've literally like built myself into being okay with profit. Maybe it hold me back in some areas, but I'm way more consistent that way. So
Right. And that's the main thing, right? It's always, to me, a balance. Because when people ask me, like, because I used to hold trades a lot for like 200, 400, 500 points. Like, I used to like not care to put break even either. You know, and I would just be like, set my target, 200 points, leave. You know, I used to be a lot more chill with that. But what I kind of found is that like I would have a bunch of home runs and a bunch of losses, right? So it's kind of like I feel like it wasn't as consistent. Like you're whenever you have a high risk reward, more than likely you have a low strike rate, because it's not every day that the market expands 200 points in your favor, right? And what I was telling my students today was like, listen, with that 1 to 2, you know, a lot of people are like, oh my God, I don't want to do a 1 to 2. But like with a 1 to 2, you can be completely fucking wrong about the direction of the market. Your trade is still going to play out and you're going to make money.
mhm.
Because you just need to be right for like 25, 50 points rather than 200.
Yeah, that's why when I see my first target, I take partials, go break even. Like I train myself to do that. So whatever happens, happens. If I have to re-enter, I don't mind re-entering, but at least I follow my plan, if that makes sense.
Mhm.
So that shit got me far. So I've just been sticking to it. How do you take partials on TradingView / Tradeovate? You just click the button on Tradeovate. You just click the chart.
Is that what you just click the button?
Yeah, like you just click the chart and then it's gonna show limit and stop. And then you would just edit your whatever, however many contracts you want to get out of, you just put that. Nah, I wasn't trying to be funny, bro.
You just click the button was crazy.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to be funny, gang. I promise, bro. I promise.
Yeah, I add on the pullback sometimes. Like if I have high conviction on the move and I got a sniper entry, there's no reason why I shouldn't be able to add on the pullbacks.
100%.
But my first entry needs to be like, and the market needs to be able to pull back properly, and then I'll just. No, I don't live in Florida.
Well, I tried to put limit to go break even on the short, and it no. So if you to go break even, you have to put a stop because that's your stop loss. You're not gonna put your take profit at your break even. You're gonna put your stop loss. The limit is your take profit. So you got it backwards.
Bro, the way that I just want this shit to dump and go to hell. And I think, I don't know. I think usually CPI is not the high of the week. So like, I think that us dumping today is just gonna bring CPI lower. We're just gonna keep on dumping. We might manipulate high and then just dump like crazy. I think that's what's gonna happen tomorrow. I don't know. I might buy like 10 fucking challenges and just like.
Yo, lethal.
Thank you. Bro, it could continue to dump more. Like
Yeah,
that
that's
ass, I
annoying.
actually want 892. 892 is the actual level that I want.
You should have some room.
Actually, like right there. See, I caught this right here earlier. I caught, what is it? Me and my students, when we were trading, that like right here, we got it. Oh my God. I literally called this entry right here with them. I was in shock right here. This was it. And then it came back and I was like, you see how we are rejecting this level? And I was all calm and like, yeah, you know, we're still kind of bullish. We still could go up. That bitch fucking dumped. I'm like, yo, what? Breaker blocks, man. Like, you need to take a look at them. They're nice.
Runners running. You got down right. You got down right. Runners running. How much do y'all spend on props yearly? I don't know. I have no clue, bro. I buy them shits 5, and if it's Apex, sometimes 10 at a time.
I want to say that I didn't used to spend as much last year. Oh my God. Not my foot.
Yeah, they're going crazy with AI. They are going stupid with the AI.
Yeah. Yeah, but last year, because like, here's my thing. Like, I at least wasn't being, okay, hold on to this. Last year, I wasn't being aggressive with my prop firm challenges. But I realized that if I wanted a big payout, you do need to be more aggressive. Because I was talking to some friends of mine and they were all like, yeah, you know, because I was trading Top Step like back like last year. And they were all hitting max payouts, and I was just like, bro, I'm trading like, not hitting that much. I'm trying to like make 500 a day or some shit, and they were like, bro, you gotta go like heavy, and just make your buffer, and then like all you need to do is go heavy 2 days. And I'm like, you know what? You kind of have a point. You just need to go heavy 2 days. TPT, same thing. A friend of mine told me this last summer. He was like, bro, you literally just need to be right 3 times, like 2 to pass the challenge, and then once to actually make the buffer and make the money. And I'm like, and and that friend of mine was making like 100K a month with props.
Yeah, TPT was cool to me because on Top Step, I always used to create my own buffer anyway. So it was like I'm doing the same thing generally. So
Yeah. So
Top
like,
Step, I was creating my own shit.
yeah. So I really noticed that like people that do make more in prop, they spend more because it's about the odds of like how many times in a week can you be right to make that shit happen, right? I think a lot of people go in with the mindset of like, oh, I'm gonna keep this account for a whole year. You know, I have some friends that are terrified of pressing the damn button, and I'm like, and they had the same account for like months, but they made no money. So it's kind of like, do you want to go aggressive and make money, or like, or you're gonna have the same account for like a year and be terrified of blowing that shit. I think there's a happy medium, right? Of like, you definitely, obviously, we're here to make money, so you can't be afraid of blowing the account, but you need to have money to be able to like rotate through those accounts, right? So I got the payout, what is it, a week or two ago, the 3K payout. I grabbed the entire payout and just threw in fucking evals on Apex. And I just passed 10 Apexes, and I also bought some TPT accounts. And I passed 5 TPTs. So now I have 15 accounts. And what that return looks like, well, potentially I could fucking make $100,000 just from those 3K that I invested into those challenges.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, what is your risk to reward overall? I bought the 150Ks, the EOD 150K. Yeah. So it's like, but the amount of money that trading can give you, as far as like return, as far as ROI, right? I think people don't look at trading as a business, because let's just say you're going to open up a business like a restaurant. You're not gonna spend $3,000 on a restaurant. You're gonna get a fucking loan. You're gonna pay rent. Your expenses at monthly should be at the bare minimum 5,000, and then you're gonna get a loan for all the equipment and everything else. Like, you're looking at like a $50,000 loan to open up a restaurant that is gonna generate maybe a few thousand a month to keep the doors open. So like, if you look at trading as a business and you're doing the same and you're deploying, like $5,000 into your prop accounts, but then those prop accounts with the 5,000 can generate you 6 figures. You know what I'm saying? Like, so the ceiling, it's a lot lower for the entry and the amount of money that you can potentially make, right? The issue is that with the business, right, you got to hire the right people and have the right things in place. And with trading, is literally solely you against you, right?
Literally, you versus you for sure.
Yeah. But as far as like how much money you invest in yourself, right? Because you got to think about it. Like, I have a business for my LLC. A business for my trading, right? Dan helps people out with that all the time, and things are write-offs. So like, instead of like having you just spending money just because, like courses, your computer, challenges, everything can go into your business. So if you really try to like treat trading as a business, it will pay you as a business. And then like, what is your plan? How many accounts? How many firms are you going to rotate? How much are you actually your win rate? Which days are you going to YOLO accounts? How many accounts are you going to YOLO? Is that saving you time? Not financial advice. But what I'm saying is like, they need to structure your trading as a business and start to look at it as such. Yeah, you guys need to get with Dan on this. I had trader status, but to me it was like, I told you guys, like I made money way too fast when it comes to trading. So like the very first time that I filed taxes was kind of like, hey, I need to file my taxes. I lost 40 grand last year and I also just made 100K. What do I do? So I, like, my CPA at the time, just like, let's open an LLC. We can get you trader status, or we can do this, that, and that. And I was like, all right. And back then I had like the little business bug. I wanted to open a bunch of different businesses and try different things. And nothing worked out. Oh my God. Why is my dog doing that fuck shit, bro? Oh,
No, you don't have to have an LLC to write things off. I just did my taxes and I wrote a couple things off.
you pay less taxes
Yeah.
because, what is it called? It, like, business taxes is less, what is it? It's less percentage than like personal taxes.
Mm-hmm. What kind of helped me out was I had a job last year. So it kind of helped me out with that. Definitely kind of helped me out with that.
There are people to this day that I know that like make fucking bank from trading and they still have a job. Like, there's nothing wrong. If you like your job and that is your passion, like, you're not gonna quit it just to trade, you know? It depends on the prop firm. Like, I think TPT just announced, because I just saw saying that like you could have a solo member LLC. You could fill up your 1099 with it. I think 1099, 1090, whatever it is. Some firms allow you to, some firms don't. It varies, but like, honestly, makes no fucking difference.
It's so crazy, Izzy, because what you have drawn on your screen was the whole purpose of me entering the trade.
Yeah.
That literally was my whole purpose of entering that trade right there. That's just funny, bro. I just
I
looked
know.
at your screen and seen like why you got in the trade, and that's exactly why I got in the trade.
Oh, yeah. And I usually don't trade inversions, but I'm like, if they are presented and that's the only thing that I'm looking at, I will take it, you know? And I think that's the good thing about like diversifying. Bro, get off my fucking chair. Can you guys go play with each other? Oh, baby, I know Mama has not given you attention today. I'm sorry. Ow. Stop biting me.
Did you file your trading business as a personal last year? You had that job. Yeah, I had to file taxes because I made money trading. And I also had to file taxes
I love
like
it.
income tax because I had a job.
I know. I know, baby. I know. I imagine what goes through like my CPA's head. He's like, oh, so you oh shit, bro. So you lost 40, so you have two jobs and you made 80,000 this year. In one of your jobs you made 40,000 and then you also lost 40,000 into trading. Oh, that's amazing. I'm like, yeah, that's great, isn't it? So I worked for free for a whole year. Fucking slaving away.
Having to file taxes must be new to you. It kind of is. It kind of is. It kind of is. I did really good this year. I did really, really good this year. So I had to.
Did Apex update yet? Past evals. Yeah, it did. Hell yeah. Bro, stop biting the chair. Why are all of you guys fucking with me right now?
You guys have multiple entry models? We do. Well, I do.
Mm-hmm. I do. I have more entry models that I can count, and to be quite honest, it's kind of hard, like putting them all in like one thing. I tell my students, I was like, you can pick which I like. I'll give you all the entry models, and you pick which one you want.
Muted on YouTube, bro. I don't know how to fix it, brother. I'm not muted in Discord.
Yeah, I don't.
What can I do for an account since I couldn't do the backflip yesterday? We gonna see, brother. But boy, you giving me Peter Getchy vibes.
He's just trying to hold himself out for the cup. I mean, we all have done it.
Yeah, but it's giving me you ever seen Menace to Society?
No.
Damn. Yeah, it's not gonna really resonate then. Right, 11. Yeah, he's giving me cheeseburger vibes. This PA is like watching paint dry. Correct. Correct, my brother.
I don't trade there. Aaron, I don't even know how to mark up their words. But no, I have specific times that I trade. I don't. It's not something that happens at all times.
I want to see this 5-minute flipping
because
melt.
my fucking NQ chart, this is not the high that I meant to mark. Because NQ actually has a wick right here at 975. That's where I actually have my stops at for this position. I'm aligning this with this right here. NQ has a wick right here. Riot, honey, stop chewing that. I'm not going to do this. I'm not chew. Yeah, we got kicked out of the stage. Like,
Again?
Discord is just like, yeah.
I just invited my boy to BB. Habibi, where you at, man? I got a nice stage invite for you, brother. I got a nice stage invite for you, brother.
There we go. That is the type of movement that I want to see. The rejection. Taking the high right there. And another thing that I was going over with my students today was like candle reaction, right? It's not just because you have an area that you want to see things happen that it's just going to happen. Like you really need to be able to like pay attention to candles and see how they are moving with that specific area if it is actually rejecting.
Yeah, this eats up this entire candle and closes above. This is terrible.
This is terrible. It's probably just gonna want to retest. 986.
Mm-hmm.
986 where am I? 986. Here.
Can everybody hear us fine now? Are we good? We vibing? Yeah, we hear you. All right, bet. Doesn't look like it wants to reverse, brother. You're down $70, bro. You might as well call that break even. You're down $70, bro. Just chill.
Looks like it wants to reverse.
You're down 70.
I didn't even say that was an entry confirmation, by the way. I said this is where I'm looking to see the reaction. You see how I literally was talking about that?
Mark this out here.
Aaron, so when you say you can only trade the New York PM session, because I mean I trade the PM with my students two times a week, and then one Q&A on the weekend.
Damn, Discord is not fucking with my boy Bieber. Why they keep kicking my boy, bro? It's $1 million trader right there, bro. Are they cool? Yo, I got a DM earlier, and this man said, has anybody ever told you that you remind them of Jadakiss? You don't know who Jadakiss is? Bruh, it's a man with a bald head. Bruh, I was like, I didn't even respond. I didn't even respond, bro. It was too early in the morning for the fuckery, bro. What does that even mean, gang? Like, what does that even mean, brother? Testing that gap right now.
Yeah.
Definitely want to see this bitch hold.
Yes, the reaction off of it. Bro, I literally have to pee. Why do I have to pee on the worst times?
Bro, you gotta pee all the time, bro.
It's because I hydrate.
You're a very pissy person, bro.
Oh my god. I gotta get my position before I pee. It's disgusting. I like both. I like to cycle through YM and NQ. I think YM is a lot cleaner though. It doesn't do all of this like fucking around like NQ does.
At least they're in Asia.
Well, no, even during New York, it's a lot cleaner. It just like it takes the liquid and just fucking goes. Like it has no fucking shit. Okay, we touched the 985 area that I want to see the jump from. We actually made it there. Let's see. Oh, it's 7 p.m. That's why we're doing this fuckery. Every time that I'm like, bro, what are we doing? It's 7 p.m. Every time.
I need to see a fucking reversal at 7 a.m.
No, 7 p.m. Right now. Every time that we have like this weird like turnaround, it's a 7. I need to start closing my position before 7 p.m.
I am officially out of the position. Officially out of the position. Officially. Two B's. 200. I'm gonna have to take it. I'm gonna have to take it.
Bro, not with this nut right now, baby. You're so cute. You want to ask her, hand it back, hand it back. I like that reaction.
Yeah, reaction after that last gap.
That was lit. Okay, just retested the bro. Okay, just this kind of I'm gonna break.
See if we can break down from here. See how these candlesticks are looking. YouTube, we good now? We good now, YouTube?
5 minutes look good. Still. Just wait a little bit above where I want. It didn't close. So that's 1 minute.
Yeah, I like how it's wicking and
Bro.
respecting this midline. If we can pump down, this looks really, really good.
Baby. Why are all of you guys harassing me? You're beautiful now. Beautiful.
Discord being hella bipolar, yeah, it needs to chill the fuck out and pick a mood.
Damn, did they kick my baby again?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They got one more time to kick my boy, bro. They got one more time, bro.
No, I'm dead ass happy right now. I'll be back.
Need to make sure my boy is good. I read into the shorts based off this last fair value gap. I have a pretty tight stop. I pretty much sniped this bitch. If we can continue to go down, I look really, really good. Would you say the market moves more rationally during Asia? Asia's pretty unpredictable, bro. I feel like in New York, our TPs would have been hit already, but Asia, it kind of like does a lot of retracements, a lot of wicks. Now, sometimes don't get it twisted. We've caught like 100-point moves in Asia all going one direction a couple times, but it's not too common.
Yeah, it's not often.
You pissed that fast?
What? Oh, efficiency.
What the fuck? She had to have pictures standing up. She had to.
I'm like, oh my god, no, bro, no. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, no, move. Big ass. Oh. No, baby, not right now. Mom will pick you up later, okay?
I can't ask if there's anything Discord on some fuck shit. I can't even make a support ticket. Yeah, Discord's on some fuck shit, brother. Relax. Not that big of a deal, brother.
My cameras and charts are no go. I'm really looking at myself on Ninja.
I got you, BB.
Yeah.
I got you, Brody.
Bro. No. I tell you what I'm doing here. No. Please. I don't know what chart I created for my nose. MY commission.
Cole, didn't hear you earlier. Are we still in shorts? I got taken out of my first short, and I'm in another short right now. I mean, my stop is literally like, what was it, 6 points?
You got it right here?
Yeah, stop is literally like 6 points.
Here we go. No easy, no show. Oh. What, you guys can't see me?
I think they can see you on Discord, but not on YouTube.
Oh. The guy. How am I tall? I'm not tall. Koach and I are the same height.
Debatable. Debatable.
There's no debate. We have pictures.
I'm taller than you when you're in heels, bro. You're like 5'1".
I'm 5'2".
Yeah, I'm 5'6". Oh, let me put my Timbs on. I put my Timbs on. You ain't even gonna know who the fuck I am anymore. I'm like, God damn, that boy Koach 5'8".
Oh my god, bro. Remind me to never hold a trade vest on him. Fuck this. Your time. Been done. Taking my profit, being happy, being happy. I wanted to hold the trade. Because I thought that this is like New York and we are going to take the lows. Oh no, definitely. We're literally like 10 points away. Oh.
Nope, we're just gonna reverse off of whatever.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing for no reason. Because it's 7 p.m., so we're just going to reverse right now.
Izzy's crash out is iconic. I'm not gonna lie. She does have legendary crash out moments. She had one like a few weeks ago.
What did I crash out about? I don't even be crushing out for real.
When they asked you the same bullshit, you was not having it that day.
Yeah, but I wasn't like fully crashing out. There's a difference.
Well, to be honest, I do have a fib level there. That's why that was my target. Because I don't know if you guys remember me saying it early on in the show that it can get wacky from right here. But I was already in the shorts, so I'm not just gonna cut it.
That was literally fucking 12 points. Bro, Asian became. Yeah, it's not for nothing, but like, I generally don't understand how you guys can see shit with all this stuff on your charts.
Yeah, me neither. I'm not gonna lie, me neither.
Like,
I don't know how the fuck y'all are doing
that
it.
looks like a laser show, bro.
Yeah.
I'm over here like, what the fuck am I looking? Oh, this is good. Okay, I like this reaction.
Yeah, I got grazed.
That's a great entry.
I got grazed. Edged me clean as fuck. Now, if we can get this pump down, we look fucking amazing. You can see how this 15 minute are gonna close. Right now I'm trading Apexes.
Dude, I ended on position. I said, fuck it. I have 3 minis. It looks good. And then if we take these lows, bro, I'm not even gonna wait for dollar low. Fuck dollar low. I'll set up for 9.51.
I'm gonna see how this 15 minute closes and reacts. Could break me like a banana. Novo, you good? You alright? Everything alright over there, fam? You gotta fix your language, bro.
Ooh, look at that. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
Nice.
Oh, this is all I needed. Okay, perfect. I mean, I'm not closing, but this is a great, like,
Reaction for sure.
Exactly what I was.
This is what I wanted to see that 15 minute do. I need to see this 15 minute just continue to push. And we look fucking amazing.
Bro, I wish my pro would have already, like, reset so I could have traded. But whatever, I'm not gonna be ungrateful. I'll just trade you more. Actually, what the fuck am I doing trading my pros at this time? I'm not trading.
Yeah, I do not like trading the pros during Asia.
I got excited.
Yeah, it tapped into like a little 5 minute gap.
I see that.
And if it explodes from here,
Yeah. Fucking bitch ass fucking man.
need to feel this weight.
Fucking flip that shit.
Need to feel this weight.
No, I bet as impressed. Like, yo, you telling me that this right here makes any fucking sense and we just go fucking up from there? I was literally like, nah, bro, you can't take my fucking.
Chill, bro, chill. We almost to 100 light here. Let me see.
No, but just like fucking out of the fucking window. This bitch doesn't know shit. Because that's how I would be feeling right now.
44 likes on the YouTube. Oh, y'all is tripping. Y'all is tripping. Y'all must not want motherfucking thing. Motherfucking thing on me. And I can bless YouTube and Discord today. I got
Like
the
5 accounts?
huh?
Don't you have like 5 accounts to give away?
I don't think I can give away 5. I think I can give away 2.
I thought that's what he said.
He said 5 or 2.
Everybody 3, 2, 1. Two extra, yeah, because I don't think he gave any on his show.
So 2 extra, we normally give 1, so 3?
Bro. This tsunami doesn't work.
Hold on, where the moderationer is at?
There's 325 of us here, and none of us can figure this math out.
Nice, give me that push. Give me that push.
Bro, you know what's my favorite personal? Like, I'm trying to let go, but like, I love when I post like a loss or something on my Instagram,
Mm-hmm.
and somebody comments, "Did you look at the D-Walk?" Bro, I don't fucking know. I don't care to. I don't know why everybody's like, you should have looked at the order flow, book math, this, that. I'm like, bro. Because I don't use indicators. Like, I don't, like, you guys see my fucking chart form. This shit is as clean as it can fucking possibly be. And I just be marking shit like really for other people to see. I just be marking lines because it's just like me. And that doesn't make sense to me, bro. Do you don't think that I would have like a VWAP and all this bullshit on my chart if I go straight in the VWAP?
I like to keep my chart as clean as possible, bro.
Yeah, you can't see the fucking candles.
I need to see a dump. I need to see this shit go to hell, bro. Right fucking now. And stop trolling the young hustler, bro.
$600 right now.
Stop trolling the young hustler, man. Let's see, where do I have my level 61? Boom. I have a TP at 65. I have a TP at 65. That's one profit target. Not getting out fully there, but that's one profit target that I do have. Oh, let me show them my entry. I got in right here. My stop was literally right here. Still targeting the 90s. Still targeting the 90s. Our short, Eddie. Yeah, we're in short. We're in short, brother.
Bro, I'm not being honest. Like, I don't care who's straight with. I'm not being honest.
Artful Trump talking. What the fuck does artful mean, bro?
Careful.
Oh. Shit, I don't care if he talking. He just better say the right shit to make this shit done. I don't give a fuck what he talking about. He better say the right shit. That's all I know. Hold on, let me talk to the mod and see how much accounts can I give away, bro. Oh, minimum of 3. All right, bet. 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 YouTube, I'm trying to bless your game, bro, but y'all trolling. 137 of y'all, and y'all don't want to like it. I don't mind giving it all to Discord. You know that. They my peoples too. I fuck with them like that.
Bro, my God. Did you not do that with my niece?
All right, I got you, Athena. I got you, Athena. I'm low key hungry as fuck too.
I'm hungry as fuck. I think I'm gonna eat it. Like that. Thank you. I designed it. It took me like 2 weeks.
Get some chopped cheese. There is a place that I need to pull up and try their chopped cheese. There is a place. But I already took chicken out, bro. I was gonna make some brown stew. So I think I kind of got to do that. It's called Just Tasty. Oh yeah, Novo, you out here. It's called Just Tasty, bro. It's a food truck. I promise you. That's gonna be some of the best food you had in the O. I promise you. I had got like their big back plate, and it came with like oxtail wings, mac and cheese, a whole bunch of shit, bro.
Yo, now you made me. I want some sales.
Yo, hey, Izzy, bro. If you ever come to the O, we out, bro. That shit is some of the best food I had in the O. The only reason why I don't go like too often is because it's just like maybe like 30 minutes away. And it's in one of those areas of Orlando where it's like New York parking, like parallel parking and shit. Like,
Bro, I never cooked oxtail. Oxtail is one of those things that I was kind of like, I don't know why.
yeah, I haven't cooked oxtail either. I haven't tried. I know I can if I go on TikTok.
Right? I feel like I could do anything when I go out to TikTok.
Yeah. Is that good? I'll be in it, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That shit is gas. Like, that shit is gas. That shit is too gas.
Bro, why is this that cool?
All right, you two, y'all trying me, bro. Fuck y'all. Yep, I said it. I say it again, too. I say it again, too, homie.
I'll say it again too. 1, 2, 3. Testing.
No, I can parallel park, but the thing about places like that, it's hard to find parking. Like that's in a part of Orlando where it's like, I think it's in Lake Nona or some shit like that. So it's like, it's a lot of cars out there, but you're gonna be driving around in circles trying to find a spot. So.
And those be the best kind of spots because you know it's like fucking ratchet. He's like, oh yeah, rent's cheap there. That's why you're in the middle of fucking.
Yeah. Like I would never in my life move over there because the parking is just. I'm pretty sure they got parking garages and shit though. So.
No. Bro, if I need to park in the parking garage, I'd rather not go.
Yeah. That's why I don't want like a condo or nothing like that because it's like, bro, what if I forget? What if I forget my wallet in the whip?
Back in the military, we used to live like I used to live in this big ass fucking apartment. It's called a barracks though, but like it wasn't like more of an apartment. It was like out of the what do you call it? Up base. But God, it was like a fucking what is it like 4 or 5 levels to park, and you had to walk in. And then get the elevator. It wasn't like a whole fucking journey. You forgot something in the car, forget about it. It took at least 15 minutes for you to get there.
Yeah, I'm not on that. I'm not on that at all. All right, YouTube. Everybody spam happy hour. Everybody spam happy hour on YouTube. Y'all don't piss Novo off tonight, bro. He having a good night, bro. YouTube link, look up Max Options Trading on YouTube. You'll see us live. Oh, I survived this. I survived
it too.
I'm still alive.
The 8 p.m. loop is about to be fucking nasty, bro. We need to be on the call for 8 p.m. It's like, when are we supposed to end this?
8 p.m. 5 seconds, YouTube. All right, bet. Jalen Hutchinson 3564. Jalen Hutchinson 3564, bro. Congratulations, bro. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. You got a 50K Lucid coming your way. You got a 50K Lucid coming your way, brother. Congratulations. W's for, what his name was? Jalen Hutchinson. W's for Jalen Hutchinson. Congrats, bro. Discord. Izzy, give me a number. Athena trying to go to bed. She must got some cheeks pulling up.
Bro, I'm tired as fuck. I've been trading in the computer all day. I actually popped in to trade in the open. Then I traded with my students at 1:30, and I hopped in to fill in for Logan at the power hour. And then the fucking podcast, and I'm here. And I'm like, oh, really, bro, get me off this computer, bro.
What number did you tell him?
5.
Number 5. No MOT tag. No MOT tag.
Damn.
Give me another number.
10.
10. No MOT tag. No MOT tag.
15.
Diesel. Pull up, man. Pop out. Pop out, man. I got taken out of that trade, break even. It is what it is. Diesel, pop out. Oh, that boy name is Deez. Damn, he got me. Damn, he got me. Yeah, he got me, bro. Damn. That boy hit me with a classic. All right, give me another number, Izzy.
20.
5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, that's my boy. It's my boy Crumpets. It's my boy Beans and Toast. Pat, pull up, bro. Yeah, that's that boy Patrick. Yo, like, do y'all just be in the Discord sleeping? Or y'all just join the Discord and
They just leave that shit on as if it's TV.
and just walk the fuck out of the room?
Oh my god, I think how bad. I think there's a mosquito in my house. No, I hate to do that. Like, on my face, bro.
We're gonna go 25. Cryptic concept. Cryptic concept. Cryptic concept. Pull up. Pop out.
Hello. So I gotta connect my camera.
That is a wild sound.
How to add my camera? How to? Yeah, I hear me.
Where you from, Brody?
Yeah.
I'm from Alabama.
That's how they rock at Alabama?
What is in your background?
Honestly, I don't even know. I haven't used this camera in so long.
So what's up with your picture, bro? I damn near thought you was a baddie, bro.
No, nah. No, that's my fiance.
Cap.
She was trolling, and she put one of my pictures on her, so I returned the favor.
You forgot this, brother. You forgot this.
Nah, that ain't cap.
You forgot this, brother.
I don't need that. Anyway, no lady was over there.
How you did you make money tonight? Did you make money today?
Nah. So I actually missed this trade, but I was trading in the morning, but I went on tilt, so I blew like 2 accounts. But I still got one, and it's in order, but I gotta be more disciplined, so I can save the account.
So look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bless you with a 50K Lucid account. And I want you to, now you have another try, you have a fresh account, so now you can stay disciplined. There's no rush to trading. There's nobody to impress. Chase the consistency. Have a trading plan.
Yeah, I feel like that's when my weakness, like rushing, like I be rushing to, try to get paid out. So I either over risk or either I would take like big trades, and I gotta work on it. I know I gotta work on it.
You have a job?
Oh yeah.
Does it pay your bills?
Yeah.
Then what's the rushing in the payout?
I think it's just more of a like me not wanting to work it, even though I know it takes time.
But what you're doing, trying to do it fast, you're slowing yourself down.
Yeah.
You don't want to work no more, but you're doing everything to make you keep working.
That's true.
You got to stick to a plan, brother. Stick to a plan, chase the consistency, lock in on a strategy. If you have one, if you don't have one, lock in on a strategy and take it slow, bro. Slow money, it adds up fast. Trust me.
Okay.
All right, open up a support ticket, man. The mods will take care of you. 50K Lucid coming your way, brother.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. I thought a light skin you dig was finna come on stage. It's a black ass ninja.
That's what we call them.
YouTube. I'm gonna show a little extra love to YouTube today, man. Show a little Pat, brother. You missed it. You missed it, Pat, brother. YouTube.
I usually don't blame the market, but like I'm 100% blaming
YouTube, the first person to type China gets an account. Go ahead. Ooh.
There's no fuck.
Ooh. Yuck, no thanks. Yuck, no thanks. Is that yucky? Is that yucky? Damn, that boy got speedy hands. That boy got speedy hands, man. Congratulations.
He heard like free account.
Open up a support ticket, brother. 50K Lucid coming your way, brother. Well, if they are listening on Discord, then they have an advantage over YouTube live only. On my screen, let me screenshot it, bro. Cause y'all think I'm just bapping. Just cause I got this cap on, don't mean I'm capping on me. Let me show you what my YouTube looks like just for y'all. So y'all could GOMD.
Bro, I don't know.
Think about it.
Well, what did you?
The first word is get.
Yeah.
All right, so everybody sees that. That's the first one that I seen. I'm not bucking y'all. I'm a changed man. I don't do that. I don't do that. I just sent my screenshot, guys. So I don't know what y'all want me to do. But you know what? I got an indicator for y'all. Izzy, give me one last number.
50.
5, 10, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. That boy Riddick.
Hey, Coach, how's it going?
What's that word, man?
Doing good, how are you?
Shit, I'm vibing, man. I can't call it. Doing what the doers do.
Hey. Yeah, I was in this trade with you today, the shorts, but apparently got stopped out. So yeah, stopping right there.
Yeah, man. I'm what 227 profit on my accounts. First short, I took profit, got trailed out in profit. The second short, I went fully break even, and it took me out, which I'm glad I did because obviously I'm dead ass wrong.
Most of the information, it just flips on me.
It's all part of the game, brother. It happens, bro. It happens. You can't cry over spilled milk. Can't cry over shit you can't control. Congratulations, though, bro. Open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. You got a free indicator coming your way, brother.
I appreciate it.
You already. Yes, sir.
Me too.
It's that boy Baljeet, man. That's my guy.
so fucking hungry, bro. I'm dead.
That boy said Addy kicking in, fingers are extra fast right now. Oh shit. Wanna hit a shot? An Addy and a shot? You know what, yup? We ain't do our thing in a minute, bro. I'll take a shot with you, yup. I'll take a shot with you, yup. And the stream off the proper way, man. Guys, y'all already know my boy, yup. Damn, why is your shit blurry on tripping? Oh, all right, better have to focus. Y'all know yuck, man. We got some shit we do, man. We end the show off. I take a nice shot of that Don with my boy, because I am a Julito member. Let me go get that for you, yuck. Let's get it, y'all. That little Don. Hold on, bro.
Please lay down.
And since you don't do this anymore, I'm gonna do this since this was awesome. I'm gonna do this on YouTube. I'm gonna
Debatable. Ready, my brother? To another day of happy hour. Let's get it, man. What you drinking, yo? What is that bottle?
This is the bottle from the event.
Oh, that's that Haitian rum?
Yeah.
That shit was kind of good.
It's all right. I'm gonna end up. I was gonna say I only drink this with like you and people on this. I'm gonna end up finishing this whole thing.
Shit for sure, brother. Guys, that is another MOT happy hour. We got through another MOT happy hour. If you guys made some profits, congratulations. Take your profits into New York, switch accounts, do what you need to do. Do not overtrade. If you guys didn't take any trades, or if you guys just went break even today, money missed is not money lost. Tomorrow's a whole new session. We have New York Open, and a lot can happen during New York Open. Way more volatile and a little bit better price action than this Asia shit is. All right. If you guys lost bread, chin up, chest out. It happens. It's all a part of the game. Come back tomorrow with a new attitude. Don't overtrade. Don't go on tilt and blow your accounts during Asia. It's not worth it. All right. If you guys did blow your accounts, make sure you guys use code BDM. Use code BDM. If you're going to use TPT, use code P2P or BDM. Pick your poison. If you're going to buy an account anyway, you might as well support the bros and get yourself a crazy ass discount. We have a lot of crazy discounts going on with our partners. So check it out. All right. Make sure you check it out at the Max Options Trading website as well. www.maxoptionstrading.com. It will have everything for you as far as props, as far as coaching, as far as education, anything that you need, you'll find it on the website. All right. Make sure you guys tip the staff. You all right? Izzy don't run shit in that crib. Make sure you guys tip the staff. The staff works solely on tips. They've been working very hard. They hold it down in here every single day, every single night. It is very much appreciated. If you guys need your education, make sure you invest in the course. We have the Mastermind. We have the P2P course. We have Izzy's high and low model. We have Logan's Battalion. Whatever your style of trading is, we have a course for it. If you guys need to get coaching, make sure you guys invest in your coaching. You can get a coaching from Izzy. You can get a coaching from Javi. You can get a coaching from me. You can get a coaching from Logan, Jake. Whatever your style of trading is, we have it here. Find your mentor, find your flavor of trading, and lock in with them. All right? I know I pretty much said everything, but Izzy, you got something to tell them? Izzy over there getting Jade, getting packed out. You good? You got something to tell them?
All right. Well, thank you everybody for listening to another happy hour. is. See what's on.
Study group. I'ma fuck with y'all in the morning. Pre-market. I'ma holla at y'all in the morning. YouTube. The rest of y'all, I see y'all in the comment section, man. But Bieber, drop that smooth shit, man.
She said take a left on Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there.
I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah.
The Underground Railroad.
Underground railroad.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches with the play. Roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know.
Koach and Izzy, they know.
Where the B2Ps go. The BCPs. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the BTPs. Where the BTPs.